In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the primary account from Outlook. If you're using Outlook on the web, your primary account is simply the one you're currently signed into in your browser. Removing it from the session means signing out so the mailbox is no longer accessible from that device or browser window. This is especially useful on shared or public computers, or anytime you want a clean slate before signing in with a different account. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. This is Microsoft's Outlook on the web, and it will load your mailbox if you're already signed in. Give it a moment to fully load your inbox and the top navigation bar, because that's where you'll find the option you need. Once your mailbox is visible, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be a small circle with your initials, a profile photo, or a generic user icon. It's easy to miss if you scroll, so make sure you're at the top of the page. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the account menu, you'll see the sign out option. Click sign out, and Outlook will immediately begin ending your session. You'll be redirected to a Microsoft sign-in page or a confirmation screen indicating that you've signed out. At this point, the primary account you were using has been removed from this session, and the mailbox is no longer accessible in that tab. A couple of helpful notes for clarity. If you see a list of accounts on the Microsoft sign-in page after signing out, that's normal. Your browser may remember that you've used certain accounts before. Signing out removes the active session. It doesn't delete the account itself. If you want to avoid any remembered sign-ins on a shared machine, consider using a private or incognito window in the future, and be sure to fully close the browser when you're done. Also, this walkthrough focuses on Outlook on the web. The desktop Outlook app handles accounts differently, and removing a primary account there involves a different process. For the web version, though, the steps you just followed are exactly what you need. To recap, go to outlook.live.com, click the profile icon at the top right, and select Sign Out. That's it. Your primary account is no longer signed in on this browser. If you found this helpful, keep these steps handy for a quick, secure sign out anytime you switch devices or accounts.